anybody has ever contacted you talking about 2 days live workshop, my dear, it's a scam.
So, get your detergent ready because I got some really dirty laundry for you. Hi everyone and welcome to I Confused Me Reviews, where I will be addressing some negative reviews from people who have been in our program, people who haven't, and some from our very own competitors. Hi! We'll be going over what some of the things people are saying, such as Livesotori is a scam, the Earn While You Learn is a scam, the workshop is a scam. Some other things we'll be going over.
Junior wants to take all of your money.
And that Junior makes you do a testimonial video to make himself more hyped up and make himself more popular. We will definitely be going over the term poaching people, and most importantly, we're gonna go over Junior is a bully. And then from there, we'll go on to dissect some really mean reviews, so stay tuned for that. Now guys, I made sure to do my research and brought you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. And we want to be as transparent as we can with you guys, as integrity is one of our core values. And although I was told not to do this, okay, but I'm Spanish, so I'm a little bit hard-headed. I do feel as if it is necessary because the light is in the truth, and they say the truth will set you free. And today I want to bring nothing but the truth. My name is Lisa, and I went from being an unfulfilled, almost 200 pounds, aka fluffy, low gigabyte, and all depressed, to a more confident and now a more purposeful human being, changing lives and traveling and getting to meet so many awesome people. I've been with this company since the beginning, and I've seen what goes in the back end, I've seen what goes in the front end, I've seen Junior's perspective, Junior's point of view, and when I tell you guys I've seen crazy too, I am not lying, I've seen crazy. I'm not gonna say I've seen it all, but I've seen most of it all. For this reason, I would like to give you some insight, different perspectives and point of view, and from there, you can make an informed decision. So, get your detergent ready, because I got some really dirty laundry for you.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing my experience with the Livesotori program, as well as talking about the pros, the cons, and my final take on it. And then it's up to you to decide whether it's something you want to pursue or it's not for you. Then he told us to put a video on YouTube, and that's why you see so many reviews, guys, about the 2-day live workshop, because that hypes his course and that makes it more popular and more legit. But still, the 2-day live workshop doesn't teach us again, I'm gonna be talking about myself. It didn't teach me anything.
How is it? So he talked about the 2 days live workshop, which is what they do. So if anybody has ever contacted you talking about 2 days live workshop, my dear, it's a scam. What they have in that 2 days live workshop is just some random videos and on Facebook, on YouTube that they've gathered together, and then they just try to make it seem like something great. It's not. They're not teaching anything good enough.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Belinda. I'm so excited right now. I just attended 2 days live workshop on how to make money online with Junior Anthony. Oh my God, this guy has actually blown my mind. I've tried these for many times and many years on how to make money online, but I spent a lot of money, but none of them has worked. Right now, I am so glad I took this course, though I was very skeptical at the start due to my past experience. But no one has been able to explain everything to me on how I could just sit on my living room, just using my laptop, but to become my own boss, working for myself. And I'm glad I took this course, and I highly recommend it for you. All right, guys, love you all. See you there.
The whole course finally turned out to be about how to sell his course, and I was shocked. And even before, I just referred his course to someone, and I made, who paid $844 or $45, and I made 50%. I felt a regret. I felt bad about it because, again, I referred the course to someone, and this whole course was about referring the course to someone else. I'm just not that kind of person. So
me, I trusted the energy in the room. But as I grew more into being in this community, I realized that instinct was correct, and that is I choose to affiliate with you guys because one of the things that I live by professionally and personally is integrity, and I am not going to represent or promote something that I don't personally believe in, and I chose to I chose correctly in affiliating with Livesotori because this is definitely something that has changed my life in so many ways. I was struggling for a while, and now I'm in a position where I can actually make a better life for myself. And on top of that, really, it's just I'm given an opportunity to be able to make an impact in the world by helping others who are struggling just like I was. So.
I would literally lay in bed 48 hours and just cry, and the room was just really dark, and I was like, you know what, you need to not do this, you need to do something else. So then I found affiliate marketing and I signed up under a different program, which they gave me all the tools and everything I needed to do what I needed to do, but it was kind of like they tossed me in a desert with a bunch of supplies and said, here, survive. I didn't know how to survive. So then a friend reached out to me and told me about Junior and Livesotori, and I was like, okay, let me check it out. And I made my first sale in 5 days.
they are supposed to buy ClickFunnels if they want to make money from his program. Great, because they have to copy the template, and they need a ClickFunnels account, which they pay, and they have to pay $99. So every single person has to pay at least $99. First and foremost, I don't know why he recommends the $297, probably because it makes him more money. Because actually he's making a commission out of how much you pay.
How many of y'all actually got the free trial from ClickFunnels? Wiggle your hands for me. Yeah, okay. How many of y'all got the $97 version of ClickFunnels? Wiggle your hands. Wow, the same people that got the free trial is the same ones that got the $97 version. It's a free trial, but instead of them getting the highest paid one, the $297, They're trying to hold, even though they're still trying to hold on to all the money that they have. So they go to the $97 version on a free trial. That is a mindset. That is a lack mindset. You have to program yourself for abundance. Why not spend a $297? You're gonna make the money back. All right?
I'm assuming we're talking about the ClickFunnels, correct?
Yes. Go download my funnel.
Okay.
All right? So guys, how many of y'all downloaded the $97 version of it before? Because I know some of y'all actually got it in the waiting room area. How much actually purchased the $97 version? Carlos, Monica, Lynn, Christopher. All right, so guys, this is the problem with society, or the problem with the way we think. And these are the things that hold us back in life, okay? Check it out. It was a 14-day free trial, but you still chose to get the cheapest option on a free trial.
Oh, no. I had the ClickFunnels before, that's why.
I've had it
All right, no, I'm talking about who just downloaded it for the first time but opted in to get the $97 version. There's always those handful of people that do it. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. We all make the mistakes.
I made that mistake the first time, and now I decided, you know what, it's free. Let me just go for the $297 version and work with that.
Because you do not know what you're going to get. A lot of people, it's even just the idea of spending money, it sickens them. Understand, if that's the way you live, it's gonna be very hard for you to profit. Very hard for you to profit. Because every investment, you're gonna look at it as an expense. All right? So, yeah, there's a $297 version and a $97 version. Go with the $297 version of ClickFunnels. You can always downgrade after your 14-day free trial. Okay? Downgrading is always an option.
What's up, everybody? Guys, I just met Junior last week. This guy is the bomb. If you are into any of his stuff, keep going. He's killing it. And like I said, my name's Turner. I work for ClickFunnels as the relationship manager, and I have so much faith in Junior. He's just killing it so much. And I want to help him and help you guys. So usually when people come into ClickFunnels as an affiliate, they start out as a 20% affiliate. But if you come into Junior's program with Livesotori, we're going to bump you up to a 30% affiliate. So this will bump you up. And so that way you're going to have all the links that you need to promote ClickFunnels, and you're going to get more money with it. So it's going to be awesome. Now, we don't give this to everybody, but we're giving this to Junior's people. Okay, so only to Junior's people. And you're going to have a bump ahead of other ClickFunnels affiliates, and you can start making money ASAP once you start promoting this and getting.
Now that I've showed you the negative side, and I showed you the truth, and then I showed you the positive side, one thing I wanted to let you know that we do here in Livesotori, for example, which a lot of people don't actually get to this part, is it's kind of like a triangle like this, right? It's like a triangle. And over here is the mindset, right? Over here is the skill set. And over here, it's where you become an asset, right? In the mindset, you have to do some inner work within yourself. And a skill set, that's where you learn how to communicate with people, you learn how to articulate yourself better, you learn, you get better at sales, you get better at active listening, paying attention. I mean, these are all the skills that we are all learning within Livesotori that Junior wants us to learn, so that we don't have to be dependent on any job or be a slave to the hours and things of that sort. What a lot of people don't know is that once you become an asset, that's when you start paying the big bucks.
Hola, welcome to my life. If you're looking for a party, stop on by.
So we're trying to get a lot of people, right? You know, to fix their mindset, to learn a skill set, to then become an asset. And the people who make negative reviews, I believe that they fail at one or two of these things. Either they do not have the right mindset to start with, or they just give up too early and don't even get to learn a good set of skill set, right? That can help change their life and build a legacy and help them to become an asset in today's society, to become more valuable. That is literally the goal. That is Junior's vision. And a lot of people, they just don't understand that.